Would you like to improve your brain power so that you can concentrate, study, and remember more easily? You can do that by eating a few foods, as well as performing certain actions. First, let's talk about 14 foods you can eat to stimulate your brain. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, often known as oily fish, are a good source of omega-3 fatty acid. Salmon, tuna, sardines, trout, and mackerel are particularly high in omega-3. Experts estimate that 60% of our brain is made up of fat, half of which is omega-3. This acid helps to reduce inflammation, promote brain cell growth and maintenance, and improve mood and cognitive performance. People who regularly ate broiled or baked fish had greater brain size in areas related to memory, concentration, decision-making, and emotions, according to research. Apart from preventing Alzheimer's disease, omega-3 has also shown to reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. If you don't like fish, you can take fish oil supplements to meet your omega-3 requirements. Number 2. Coffee. Caffeine and antioxidants, both of which aid cognitive function, are found in coffee. According to experts, caffeine in coffee keeps the brain attentive by blocking adenosine. Adenosine is a chemical messenger that causes sleepiness. Caffeine also increases serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for mood elevation. Drinking a large cup of coffee in the morning or lesser amounts throughout the day has been shown by researchers to improve concentration. Antioxidants in coffee lower the risk of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that promote brain health and mental well-being. They are high in folate, which is crucial for mental health because it helps the body manufacture neurotransmitters involved in mood and emotion regulation. Consuming folate-rich meals can aid in the creation of these neurotransmitters, potentially elevating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Antioxidants, including carotenoids and flavonoids found in leafy greens, protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which increases the risk of cognitive decline and mental health disorders. Leafy greens are also a good source of dietary nitrates, which have been found to improve cognitive function, particularly attention and memory, by enhancing blood flow to the brain. Number 4. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are a great source of antioxidants. Rich in flavonoids, berries are good for your brain as they help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. They also contain other types of antioxidants which fight off damage caused by free radicals. Research has found that these compounds improve communication between brain cells, helping them form new connections through neural plasticity. Consuming berries regularly can improve cognitive function, including memory and attention in both the young and the old. A study found that having blueberries for just 12 weeks was associated with an improvement in mood and a reduction in depression symptoms in young adults. Berries may also help you delay or reduce age-related neurodegenerative disease by boosting the ability of your memory. Besides brain performance, berries are a good source of fiber and low in calories, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Natural seeds are high in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that are good for the brain and overall mental health. One of the primary advantages of eating nuts and seeds is their high magnesium content, which is necessary for strong memory and learning capacity. It's an important mineral that is involved in many biochemical events in the body, including those that control mood and can relieve symptoms of depression, anxiety, epilepsy, and migraines. Many nuts and seeds are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that is also associated with improving mood and managing depression and anxiety. Furthermore, nuts and seeds contain significant levels of vitamin E, which protects cells from free radical damage. This vitamin has been shown to help reduce cognitive decline and improve brain function in the elderly. Nuts and seeds that are best for mental health are walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Number 6. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has several compounds that are good for brain health and mental well-being, such as flavonols, caffeine, and theobromine. Flavonols are a type of antioxidant present in cocoa beans that have been shown to improve cognitive function, particularly memory and attention. Flavonols have been found to gather in brain areas involved in learning. This improves your memory and slows the mental deterioration that comes with aging. They have also been shown to enhance blood flow to the brain. Caffeine and theobromine are both stimulants that can boost alertness and concentration, while also improving mood. Dark chocolate also contains a magnesium, which is a vital mineral for brain function and mental well-being. It's important to select dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or higher that is low in sugar. Number 7. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are a great source of vitamins and minerals. The high amount of vitamin B, particularly B1, B3, and B9, is one of the primary benefits of eating whole grains for mental health. These vitamins are necessary for the development of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. And whole grains are also rich in magnesium, which, as previously discussed, is crucial for mood regulation and reducing anxiety. Number 8. Avocado. Avocado's high level of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fatty acids, is one of its most important mental health advantages. These fats are vital for brain health because they aid in the formation and maintenance of cell membranes, which are required for brain cell activity. Additionally, avocado is a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, as we have already seen. Avocados are also rich in B vitamins, such as folate and B6, which are necessary for the development of neurotransmitters that govern mood and emotions. Furthermore, avocados help to lower blood pressure, which helps to avoid cognitive decline. Number 9. Tea. Tea, namely green tea, black tea, and chamomile tea, has many chemicals that have been shown to improve brain function and mental well-being. Green tea includes theanine, an amino acid that helps relieve stress and anxiety while also increasing alpha waves in the brain. Theanine has also been shown to boost cognitive skills such as attention and memory. On top of that, the amino acid protects you from overstimulation induced by the caffeine in green tea. Green tea's polyphenols and antioxidants help protect the brain from mental deterioration, especially in conditions like Alzheimer's. Black tea contains caffeine, which helps increase alertness and focus, and also contains theoflavins, which have been shown to have potential brain health benefits such as increasing cognitive function and lowering the risk of cognitive decline. Chamomile tea, recognized for its relaxing characteristics, includes epigenin, a flavonoid that has been found to have potential benefits for lowering anxiety and inducing relaxation. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains a key component known as curcumin. Curcumin has been shown in studies to be able to pass the blood-brain barrier, entering your brain and feeding its cells. The brain has a growth hormone called neurotrophic factor, which causes brain cells to grow. Curcumin stimulates this growth hormone, allowing brain cells to thrive. Curcumin has also been shown to benefit those suffering from Alzheimer's disease. It enhances their memory by removing amyloid plaques, which are a feature of this disease. Additionally, turmeric helps to manage depression, anxiety, and improve overall mood by boosting specific hormones. Number 11. Fermented foods. Kimchi, kefir, and yogurt are packed with probiotics, which are helpful bacteria that dwell in our gut and provide numerous health advantages. Gut bacteria are important regulators of many bodily systems, including digestion, immune function, and brain health. According to research, an imbalance of gut bacteria has been related to a variety of mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Consuming fermented foods can help boost the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are important in mood and emotion regulation. Fermented foods are also frequently high in vitamin K2, which is essential for brain function. Number 12. Black or purple grapes. Black grapes contain a compound called resveratrol, which can improve mood dysfunction and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. Anthocyanins in black grapes fight age-related memory loss, while riboflavin helps in managing migraines. Grapes help promote healthy blood flow and blood pressure and reduce oxidation stress in the brain, which all benefit brain health. Finally, phenolic compounds in black grape juice can improve thinking and learning abilities by boosting brain power. Number 13. Beans. Beans pack a powerful punch of brain-friendly nutrients, including magnesium, antioxidants, and folate. Folate in particular is essential for brain function and helps to improve information recall. A deficiency of folate can lead to neurological disorders such as depression and cognitive impairment. Beans provide more folate than any other food group. B vitamins in beans help convert a chemical compound, homocysteine, into other important brain chemicals like acetylcholine, which aids in creating new memories. Beans also contain omega fatty acids, which are essential for brain development and maintenance. Black beans, chickpeas, soybeans, and kidney beans are some of the best beans with neuroprotective properties. Number 14. Red wine. This may seem surprising, but red wine is actually healthy, especially if you consume the alcohol-free variant. Studies suggest that moderate consumption of red wine may improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, improve mood, protect against stroke, improve sleep quality, and reduce the risk of depression. Red wine is made from grapes, and the key ingredient is resveratrol, the benefits of which has been explained above. We have just discussed the foods that we should eat to boost brain function. What about the foods we shouldn't eat? Number 1. Avoid processed foods such as sugary drinks, syrups and jams, candies, potato chips, frozen desserts, bakery products like muffins and cakes, fast foods like French fries and burgers, and processed meats like sausages and deli meats. These foods have a detrimental effect on learning and memory. In one study, healthy individuals after consuming a highly refined diet showed impaired learning memory within days. Such a diet is also associated with an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 2. Avoid food with high saturated fat such as butter, lard, palm oil, cakes, biscuits, fatty cuts of meat, sausages, bacon, cured meats like salami, etc. Such foods cause neuroinflammation and poor cognitive function. A high-fat diet will aggravate symptoms of depression. They also contribute to impairments in long-term memory. Number 3. Avoid alcoholic drinks. Alcohol disrupts the brain's communication channels and can alter the brain functions. Alcohol makes it more difficult for the brain areas responsible for balance, memory, speech, and judgment to function properly, increasing the probability of accidents and other undesirable results. Besides regulating our diet, we can do exercises that increase our mental capabilities. Any aerobic exercise, as opposed to strength training exercises, meaning those exercises which increase your breathing and heart rate, such as walking, jogging, swimming, biking, jumping rope, etc., increases BDNF levels in the brain, which is the protein that allows your neurons to branch and make new connections with other neurons. Other exercises you can do are cross crawls, learning dance steps, or even juggling. You'll be amazed to know that the simple action of rubbing your tummy and patting your head rhythmically also stimulates your brain. Exercise is especially effective in the morning since it promotes neurotransmitters and growth factors just before you need to activate your brain for memory and learning. What other things can you do to improve your brain power? Let's learn a few actions that enhance brain capacity. 1. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, meaning spacing the time between meals, triggers metabolic switching and autophagy. These slow the aging process and increase neuroplasticity in the brain, helping to optimize brain function and become more resilient to injury and disease. Most people who fast have clear thinking and improved mood. 2. Get enough sleep. An adequate amount of sleep ensures the best cognitive performance and larger gray matter volume in several areas of the brain. 3. Avoid multitasking. You may not have expected this, as being able to multitask is generally seen as positive. However, multitasking stresses the brain and interferes with both working memory and long-term memory. A study showed that subjects who multitasked while performing cognitive tasks experienced significant IQ drops. 4. Calorie restriction. Calorie restriction of 20 to 30% improves memory capacity and cognition. 5. Solving puzzles. Solving puzzles such as crosswords, jigsaw puzzles, etc. stimulates the brain. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and if you would like more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Wishing you great health always. Bye-bye.